First, we will heat up the pan. Since the pan is now heated, we're gonna add cooking oil. We're gonna saute the garlic, then the onion. Next, we're gonna put the beef and some carrots. Season with salt and pepper. You can replace the salt with patis if you want. Then stir. After that, put the cream of mushroom. And all-purpose cream. Then stir. You may put water if you like to get the consistency that you like. Then stir. For the sauce, we may put celery for it to smell good. Then stir. Just added some grated cheese so that it would be a tasty sauce for the pasta. Now set aside, and then I will show you how to cook the pasta. Put the pot of water, bits of cooking oil, and salt. And then wait for it until it boils. Now that it's boiling, we can now add the pasta. You have to follow the instructions of the packaging of the pasta, and mine says wait for 10 minutes by getting the part of the piece and then taste it. Now that it's good, finally we will drain and serve and enjoy. Now we're ready to serve. Put your pasta in the plate and the sauce. There's no need to put cheese because we already put cheese in the cooking of the sauce. But we can put more cheese if we like. We either put ham or bacon bits in the pasta. Now here is our finished product.